Hello and thank you for joining us again. This is Robert with Tampa Bay Auto Network, here walking around a 2020 Chevrolet Equinox LT with you. If you're on our YouTube page, please don't forget to like and subscribe and comment below what you think about the Equinox. Also, don't forget to smash the bell. You'll get notifications of these walkarounds as they're made. We do this to be transparent with you, to show you the things that will not show up in our 100 high-definition photos that are located on our website. To see those and everything else that we offer, please visit TampaBayAutoNetwork.com. At the end of the video, you'll be able to hear the engine running on the Equinox, so let's go ahead and start the walk around. All right, we are walking around the Equinox. As you can see, there is good tread on the tires. There are a few minor chips on the hood, the biggest of which is this one, using my finger as a point of reference. As you back up, as you can see, that's pretty much the only one you can see once you back up a couple of feet. Other than that, this thing is in really, really good condition. No dents, stings, or heavy scratches. I'd definitely say it's above average for being on the road for 3 years and over 20,000 miles. And as you can see, the roof is also in impeccable condition. Clear coat. Let's take a look at the interior. All right, we're going to give you a look at what doesn't show in the photos as always, which is this side of the visor, the headliner, and the top of the dash. And I can tell you that it definitely is a non-smoker by the smell of it. But if you have any questions about the condition inside or outside, feel free to give Jennifer a call. Her name and number is located at the bottom of your screen. Also, if you have any questions about shipping options or financing options, look forward to seeing you next time. Stay tuned to hear the engine running.